this is Greg crawling in for our mortgage fund.
Friday Harbor, this is Gamma Pote. We're a 55-foot motor yacht. We'd like a mortgage for the night.
Maybe there's room on the inside of Breakwater Charlie, that's the inside of the seaplane base, or you're welcome to go to the inside of Breakwater Bravo, which is the inside of the Customs.
Okay, inside of Charlie or Bravo, either one. We'll take a look as we get up there. Thanks very much. Gamma Pote standing by 66.
After that, welcome in Skipper, Port of Friday, Harbor, standing by.
There we go. Skipper Greg. Captain Greg just got the word that we have our choice of spots coming into Friday Harbor. It's a pretty cloudy day.
It's a beautiful little port, isn't it?
Very picturesque.
Very quaint.
Absolutely. You can see the little float thing.
They have a great nightlife here.
Great nightlife is, yeah, whatever you want it to be. Lots of businesses, little boutique shops, restaurants, post office, fuel docks, library. It's a full service little town. You can dock and take a ferry to Anacortes or Victoria for the day.
Or throw your crab traps out in Parks Bay, just across the way.
He's a poet and didn't know it.
I'm a poet that didn't know it.
That's the ferry dock. It's kind of hard to see. The water's very calm. It's a gray day with little breaks here to the southeast. As you can see up here to the northeast, looks like some rain clouds, and there's even fog due north. Pretty day here.